How to fix WhatsApp business notifications. To fix notification issue in WhatsApp business, you typically need to address settings within the app itself. Open your WhatsApp business onto your device. There, you just want to make sure to tap the three dot at the very top right. Go to settings on your device, look for notification. Make sure that you've enabled notification for all these options. Despite doing this, you're still unable to receive notification. You might go to settings on your device, locate notification, make sure that you've enabled notification for app notification toggled on, and this is how you're supposed to fix WhatsApp notification as well. If nothing works out, you also want to make sure to check your internet connection, or maybe try updating your app by going to your Play Store and update by tapping on a search at the very bottom, type in WhatsApp business, and this way as well you should be able to fix. If nothing works out, you can simply reinstall your WhatsApp at the same time restart the device. That should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.